Random Junkie Games Part 2.
Is Zozo at the wedding too?
No. Okay, let's do this. Oh, darn it. Dun, dun, dun.
Not with Jude.
911, what's your emergency? 911 is for real emergencies, not for jokes or pranks. Misusing 911 can delay help or cost lives. Keep the line clear. Know when to call. When every second counts.
I'm not doing mine.
Do you guys like what do I have to do for my balloon colors again?
This will be hard. Ah! Let's do this. This is a really random song. Ah! Darn it. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Is this really Dead High 6? Oh my. Level 4. Here I come.
Wait, you're on level 4?
Don't mind my family. You know what? I'm just doing random levels. Infinity mode. Yeah. This one just randomly generates random levels and lets you play them. It's never the same level, guys. Never. Some are hard, some are easy, some are meh. Darn it. Darn it. Oh, darn it. Only 2? Seriously? 3 whole minutes already? Man, this will take forever to post. Darn it. You know what? Should I just end it here? Nope. Yeah, I'm ending it. Well, I'm not sure if this will be considered a YouTube short, but maybe just 2 more runs. 1. No. Well, didn't have to call it. Good night, good morning, whatever timeline you're inside. Goodbye.